Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. At least my voice is coming back. So today is the 31st of December. The year is almost, so today is the eve of New Year's. So yesterday was Sisi's wedding, and I realized there's some things I didn't show you in the video, like getting ready for what I got, stuff like that. So I'm gonna start with what you're seeing. I look different, right? Yep, that's because this is my first wig, you guys. My first wig since college. Not wig, sorry, weave, since college. And college, that's over like 10 years ago, around 10 years ago. That was the last time I got my hair done like this, or got a weave to my hair. So I think I did show you how and who did our hair. I think it's styled by Ronnie or something like that. So he styled our hair, but I got it done in town, like installed in town. It's this, very gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I looked good, I looked snatched. Yeah. So, and then I've also showed you these flowers. These flowers we got from the wedding because they are fresh. The bride was supposed to carry them with her, but she decided to distribute the flowers. So I got me a bunch of them. They look so beautiful. Yeah, and these colors, if you haven't noticed from the video that I did of the wedding, has green, which they made on a wall, has is it like a red color? So you can see red huku. Where? Yeah, has the color the other bridesmaids had worn, and then orange, the color I wore. That's why we had different colors for the wedding, the three of us. Yeah, and now the bride herself had white. So we incorporated every color in the wedding. So we incorporated every color of the theme of the wedding to what we were wearing, which I think was very thoughtful and beautiful. She had actually thought it through. Looks like. The third thing are my nails. I didn't show you guys when I went to the salon. This is what I decided to go with. Has some orange because I was wearing orange and nude, which looks pretty nice. Never done such nails before, but they look beautiful. What else? My voice, the reason why I'm speaking like this. So on the wedding was on a Thursday. On Tuesday, yes, on Tuesday we went to see the venue in Limuru. It was in Serenity Gardens. The weather was pretty bad, as I said. Me and cold don't mix, so I got a cold. I didn't even have a voice. It's actually coming back, which is an amazing thing. That means my body is fighting. Yes, so yeah, that's why I'm speaking like that. So, and I haven't vlogged in a while. Yeah, it's been 11 days since the last upload today, and I'm not uploading today, so maybe tomorrow, and it will be completely off the topic since tomorrow is 1st of January. Yeah, and then I also wanted to show you the shoes I wore and tell you guys where I got them from. These are the shoes I wore. They have a heel but small. That means I wasn't that tall, so they look like this. I think they look very beautiful on me. It's a size 42, which is the size I wear, but I don't wear heels. But this I can totally wear for an event or a dinner date. So yeah, I got the shoes for 2,500. That's the amount they were going for from town. Because they were last minute, we ordered shoes and they didn't rhyme with the clothes we were wearing, because we had like a, I don't know, we hadn't decided on the clothes we were going to wear until last minute, because we had decided to go with nudes, mostly nudes, and then last minute changed. We got another person to do our dresses and the colors that the bride actually wanted. So yeah, it was last minute. The other shoes I didn't get to wear because they were black. So yeah, last minute got them on the same day as I was going to fit the dress on the 28th. I believe, yes, on the 28th. That's when I got it. And then on the 30th, on the 29th, which was the last day, because we were going to spend at the bride's parents' home. Yeah, I had ordered clothes from China, bandage dress, a very nice one, and we also ordered this from my sister, who gets them obviously from a factory here, so she shipped them in. So we got them from her. She's Labelle, but I will insert where we got the hair. Here, very nice hair. This didn't even finish. These are 2.5 bundles. Can you believe that? And the way it has volume. Anyway, we had ordered the dress to come in with the hair, and they didn't put the dress inside the hair, so the dress didn't come in time. On the 29th, I had to go look for another dress to wear for the evening, because that dress didn't come to wear for the wedding. So I got this dress. This is what I wore for the evening party. It has this silver shiny things, which I didn't mind. And then that's the dress itself with a slit on the front. I have to show you this one because I didn't get, no, I did vlog kidogo. So anyway, I got the dress from town for 2,000, and that was actually a bargain, because I had gone to around 3 more shops, different shops. They were selling the same dress for 2,500, but to the shop I went to, it's in Star Mall, just after Elegance Fashion House, Amaniju. I think you get to go up the stairs. Where did I get it? No, if you know where Odd and Bold are, it's just the opposite side, because I could see Odd and Bold. I don't know which floor. So I got it for 2,000. It's really cute. I loved it. It's a nice bodycon if you're looking for an affordable outfit, because me, I always go for affordables as in Guinea, because it was, the other dress was really expensive. It was like 6,500, the one I wanted to wear, but it didn't come. Now it was last minute rushing, and obviously we work on a budget, so it didn't make sense to me to go look for a dress that's too expensive for just a night, and something I won't wear again because I hardly go out. My life, see my life, see my life. Anyway, I got this dress. It's what I wore. It looked really nice, and it rhymed with other bridesmaids evening dresses, because they were also going for a LBD, little black dress. So yeah, 2K. And then lastly, I got these shoes from the same floor, but iko hapo kwa corner. They call themselves what? Viatu affordable. Viatu? Something like that. I'll insert the link, ama the name of where I got these shoes from. They look really nice. They have a nice blue. Now the groomsmen were wearing this, which is why I got a blue one. so that we could match. Anyway, the groom's team, whatever they are called, anyway, they were wearing navy blue, and this is what I thought I would wear for the night because I was tired. Thank God I bought these shoes. So yeah, as I said, I wear a 42. These are a 42 as well. I'll not show you down because this is what I was wearing. In fact, after this video, I need to go wash my hands. So yeah, that's it. I needed to show you this little haul. And I wish everyone a very, very prosperous new year. I realized I didn't even hold the camera on the 25th, the Christmas. I'm at the Christmas Eve. On Christmas, I didn't hold the camera because I was unwell, guys. I've been unwell since I did my COVID scare. I got ill again. Anyway, I wasn't feeling well all along, but I am fine, guys. And thank you for everyone who prayed for me and wished me well. The last time, as I said, I haven't picked the camera since then. So thank you so much, guys, for caring. I really appreciate it. And yeah, happy new year. I wish you well in the new year. I wish you God's blessings. I pray you continue to watch my videos as I continue to post anyway. And yeah, thank you so much. Generally, this year has been really amazing, and I thank you for that support. Like, that means a lot. So I'll catch you later in my next video next year, 2022. Yep. Cheers. All the best in everything that you do, guys. Bye. Love you. Unbelievable. Today it's so, I don't know, cloudy or something. You can see past there, like kuna fog kila mahali. Do you see that's Mombasa Road? Somewhere there. Where? Somewhere there. You can't even see the stars well. So anyways, happy New Year's, guys.